All residents of Taguig City will have COVID-19 vaccines free of charge. Mayor Lino Cayetano said that the Taguig City government has allocated 1 billion pesos to acquire the vaccine. The 1 billion peso vaccination fund is part of Taguig's 13.5 billion peso recovery budget. According to Cayetano, the city government will roll out additional aid for senior citizens. At the end of 2020, Taguig had the lowest COVID-19 active cases in Metro Manila.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.